Copy. Tail light, I mean headlight, solid. Always sad when you see cars like this come through here. It's no good. Fuck. Yo. Feel like I'm a fucking beginner. Fuck. Yo. Morning guys. Today just came through to Zebra. New cars dropped through. EK Hatch. One of the boys was saying it was in pretty mint condition. So we're just going in now to grab a few parts for my car. And then yo, we'll go from there. EK Hatch. This one's pretty good. Probably was this one. Yeah, it was this one. Oh shit, he was online. Bro, this is pretty solid. Full cards aren't cracked either. Feels nice. Nice tail lights, nice rear bumper. Bro, what was I putting for a car? He was online. Oh, maybe just that piece. That's so good. Not bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, thought I'd come in and grab some parts because my front bumper is kind of fucked there. I don't know what happened with the last dinner. But yeah, no, not good. So looking, trying to source another one. And this car looks like it's the one. We'll just take a HNF look around, see what else there is. That bumper's not even that bad. Fuck, there's a lot of inches here there. Alright. Copy. Always sad when you see cars like this come through here. It's no good. No good at all. Tail light, I mean headlight, solid. I really need a front bumper, so I reckon we just grab that today. No point in grabbing the guards because the other guard's missing. And then you need the right side anyway. Well, get this thing removed and go from there. Solid. Next minute. I didn't grab the bumper because my toolbox was missing the essential tools that was needed to remove the front bumper. And I thought all I need was a 10mm, but the 10mm wasn't actually the 10mm. So, yeah, any sponsors out there want to sponsor us, let us know, because we are in need of some tools ASAP. But yeah, other than that, we weren't able to get the front bumper. However, in saying that, prior, I think a couple of days later, one of the boys messaged up and he said that he was selling a front bumper. Shout out to you, John. And yo, back to the video. Solid. Fuck. You got the front screen now too, so you can see. Fuck, you know. Still get, you know. Excuse me. Fuck. Yo. Feel like I'm a fucking beginner. Fuck. Yo. Welcome back, everybody, to another video. It's 2022. Happy New Year to all you people out there. Just gonna start off the video with my personal daily. It's a Honda logo. We're just gonna do some minor / major rust repairs as it just went through off. Just fade on that. Just gonna show around the car one more time and then we'll get straight into it. Sweet.
Alright, we're just heading off to Repco or Super Cheap just to get a rust guard for the logo. We're actually gonna head there now.
Yo, we just got back out of Super Cheap. Got the what are called rust killer and a little trees. Ta-da! So we're just gonna head back now to headquarters and apply the rust killer to the rust that we removed. Safe. Let's go back to HQ. What did we do again? Oh, the spraying, eh? I don't think I covered that bit. Anyways, we just finished spraying down all the areas, as you would have seen on the video. Got most everything. All the rust is basically killed. Just go now. So all the rust is killed. We sprayed it down with white paint, rust killer. So the cars a lot of its rust spots have been, you know, sprayed over, protectants on it, so should be good. Just gonna end the video here, and with that being said, catch you on the next one. Peace. Get ready to gear up to head out to Whangarei today. They're also over here, and shout out to Harley for the new workshop van. Yeah.